guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelic, and today's video is a Sephora haul. Not a huge one, but I haven't ordered from Sephora in forever, and my birthday was in September, so you get like discounts or whatever for your birthday, so I decided to use them, and I thought it would be cool to show you guys what I got. Also, if you like this look that I'm wearing, I do have a tutorial up already on this using the Face by Cream X Hip Dot collab. Hey, first things first, I needed some shampoo and conditioner, so I googled the best shampoo and conditioner for my hair type, and the thing that kept coming up on every single blog, number one, I think it's Briogio, something like that, Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. And I got the big one so I can just pump it out and keep it forever, not have to like purchase anytime soon. And then I thought I ordered the conditioner, but it turns out I put the wrong thing in my cart, and I ended up getting the Curl Charisma leave-in defining cream. I thought I was getting conditioner. I even like went back and looked at my order online to see if like they made the mistake, but nope, it was me. I put the wrong thing in there. The next thing I ordered was this Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. This is like part of their holiday collection, I believe. Really wanted this because it wasn't very expensive compared to all of Olaplex's other stuff. And it comes with the number 0 Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. And then it comes with like a little small number 3 hair perfector, which I do have one of these. Like I actually have like one of the small bottles because these are pretty expensive. So I just thought I'd take advantage of that deal since I do use this anyways. And my hair needs stuff like this. So that's all that I paid for in this order. Now I did use my points and got a few things. I got this Milk Makeup. This is like the Beauty Insider. Oh, this was my birthday gift. That's right. This is what I picked. Happy birthday. La la la. So this is what I picked. I picked Milk Makeup because I use their stuff in every single look. And I actually have this Milk Makeup lip and cheek in work. Does this work? Yes. And I use this every single day. And then I have never tried the Kush Mascara, but I'm really excited to. And then here's like a sample of the Hydro Primer. And I really like that too. So I thought this was a pretty cool birthday gift. Now I did use my points to get the Fenty Mascara, because I've heard so many good things about it and I've never tried it. So you guys comment down below and let me know if you want like a first impressions or a review on this, and I would be glad to do that for you. I also used my points to get this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask because I had a jar of this and I used the entire thing because it was that amazing. So I was like, oh wow, this is not going to cost me anything but points, so let me get that. And then I also used my points to get this Briogio Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Cream. And then I also used my points to get this mask because, I mean, obviously we have to wear masks now. And I just thought it was like super cute. Look. So cute. Now, this is the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara, and I think that I got this, a coupon code that I used, and I got this for free. So if you guys want a review on this one, let me know. I've heard good things about it as well. And then for my free samples, I got the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm. It came in the color Orgasm. This is such a beautiful color. I can't wait to try that. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. So these are just samples, but I love getting samples from Sephora. So that's all that I got in that order, but I do have a second one. I split up my orders so that I could use like the coupon codes for both. So since it is October, I needed a black lipstick. There's no better black lipstick out there than the Fenty Beauty Uninvited Stunna Lip Paint. So that's what I got. If you want a little swatch, let me just swatch it for you. Obviously it's just black, but you know, you still might want to see. It's so beautiful. I love it. Also, Fenty has put out their holiday collection, so I got a couple of those. These are two little stunnas, so they're like kind of like a mini size, but they're so cute. And I actually have one of them on. This one is called Unmatched, and this is what it looks like, and it's super pretty. And then there's another one here called Underrated, and I'll swatch that for you as well. It's really pretty. It's like a really nice mauvey pink. That is so pretty. And then I got another of their holiday collections out right now because these are all like miniature sizes and it's hard for me to go through a full size of anything because I have so much stuff. So I love these because they're like discounted prices, you know, for holiday. It's cheaper and you get more like products instead of more product, if that makes sense. So you get more items. I mean, there's less product in them, each of them, but you know what I'm saying. You get more variety. And so this is the Glossy Posse Holidays collection. And it's got 4 glosses. There's like a hot pink here called Ruby Milk. This one is like kind of like a brownish color and it's Cake Shake. And then this one is really pretty and it's called Taffy Tease. And then this one is Baby Brute. I ordered this Rare Beauty Lip Souffle Cream Matte. So this is Selena Gomez's brand and I really wanted to try something from there and I did have like a discount code, so I ended up getting like $20 off or something. Anyways, I just considered getting this for free. So look how pretty that is. I can't wait to use that with a look. And then for my samples this time, I got the Lancome Hydrogen Anti-Stress Liquid Moisturizer. And then I got this Tom Ford Foundation Sample Pack. I like to have these so that if I do prom makeup or something, then I have like these awesome little things that give me like a range and variety of colors. Once you put like all of the sample packs that you have together, it ends up working out pretty well. So that's all that I got in the Sephora haul. But I thought it would be cool to come on and share with you guys so that you guys can see some of the items that I get and let me know what it is that you want to see that I got. If you want to see any of the lip glosses or anything like that, you want me to do like try-ons, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. That's all for this video. I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye!